Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
I haven't gone this fast in years. I'm gonna blow a gasket or something.
Yeah, they said they've been having a very hard time because of them.
Oh, no.
Aku tidak bisa menghentikannya.
Oh, tidak. Matikan sistemnya.
Mematikan sistem.
Oh, man! Whoever does the voice of that biggie truck, I'm telling you, he's one great actor.
Perché devo fare sta cosa?
Guido, just to shake a design.
Mater, let's go! You're on!
To St. Louis, a Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
Sweet stuff.
Aha, lamp it up. Real fun.
Where did he go?
Excuse me, mister.
So he's not so good looking.
Yeah, nice try.
I'm serious.
That's why I love you.
Triple speed. Francesco is triple speed. Ho ho.
Whoa.
Down here, I created a drink in your honor.
Yeah, the Rusty's medicated bumper bomb. It I'm happier than a tornado in a trailer park.
Ven, tractorcito. Ven aquí. Sí, qué gran tractor. No, 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 no. Ven aquí.
He's right here.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. My queen is very sad.
Season points lead, heading into the final race of the season. And the winner of this race, Darryl, will win the season.
Oh, number 7 is loose. Shoot, Todoroki. Sorry, I already dedicated my Win Tomorrow tour. So if we both do it, it's...
He's gonna blow!
Mr. Spot, start right there in the hood, right there.
Oh, hey, McQueen. That must be really embarrassing, but I wouldn't worry about it because I didn't do it.
My GPS is saying I have slow traffic in my way.
In a lot of years, right? I love this guy.
I really didn't have a choice. Vader didn't get to say goodbye. Goodbye! Okay. It's a conspiracy, man! The oil companies got a grip on the government. They're feeding us a
Oh, Stanley. I wish you could see this.